Hi guys, my name is Nitish Dobriyal, professionally a software engineer and a data enthusiast. I bring with myself close to 4 years of work experience working in and around data and software. I know you guys would have been hearing a lot of noise around the words like data science, AI, machine learning, big data, and all the cool stuff. Most of the people are still confused about these data science fields. So in this video, I will try to clear some dust and give you some idea regarding the major data roles in this data science industry. To start with data science thing, as we all are aware about that we are living in this rapidly changing era where the world is governed by technologies these days. Each and every app we use is creating humongous amount of data every day, to be precise every minute, every hour, every second. So companies realized it soon that using this data will be very beneficial for their businesses to grow. What does a typical data scientist do? Actually, he works on this available data and he tries to build the predictive models using statistics and machine learning algorithms. In this process, he validates different hypotheses to create the best strategy for the businesses to grow. Now, the data scientists have completed their work by creating the models. But there should be someone who is going to deploy those models in production. And that exactly is the job of machine learning engineer. He is simply a software engineer who is responsible for this end-to-end deployment of machine learning models which are created by data scientists. Data science field is growing day by day, but still there is a very strange figure to know. Almost 87% of data science projects don't end up being in production. So while evaluating the reasons for this mess up, it was found out that most of the businesses lack in the area of data acquisition. So while pondering on this gray area, it was understood by many data science experts is that the source, the data acquisition and infrastructure thing is very crucial for the data science projects. So this brings us to look upon a very important and foundational data role in the field of data science, and that is data engineering. So data engineers are expected to create the infrastructure that allows data to be collected from different sources and move to the analytics funnel. So basically they create an infrastructure for data scientist and machine learning engineer to start working upon. I hope you got some clarity around the data science and the data job roles associated with it. I know this is not the complete list of all the job roles in data science, but in my future videos, I will be coming up with more related topics. If you like this video, then please show some support and share it with your friends. We will be coming up with more interesting videos. Till then, bye bye and keep learning.